My LG stove quit working. The oven quit working. I had an F9 error. So this is what I had to do. Be sure to unplug the stove first. What goes wrong is this igniter goes out. This is the second one I've replaced. It seems like every 2 years it's going to go out. That is the model number and the part number for it. At least for this LG stove. It's an easy fix. It's plug and play. It's just a pain in the butt getting to this stupid thing. Okay, so it's down in the bottom here. This cord is buried in there. You just pull it out. Disconnect it, plug the new one in, and then I'll show you how it hooks up. This piece here, it disconnects right here. Okay. On this. That's the lock right there. But you better be ready with the other piece, because when you disconnect this, that's gonna shoot down in the bottom and you're gonna have to fish it out. So that really sucks. But see that little clip right there? You pull that clip up and this front piece comes off. It looks like that. Okay. This red clip here, you don't need to do anything with this red clip. Just leave that alone. Okay, so once I have this, I'm going to fish it down in the bottom. There's 2 screws that go through there. Okay, and they're in the bottom of this rail here. Let's see if I can get it. There they are. They're right over here. Okay, this front screw will not come out with this stupid plate on. So I had to remove this plate, which is held on by 2 screws. So this is just gonna, you're gonna get 2 screws, you're gonna mount it, boom. You're gonna mount it just like that. Okay, just get the 2 screws. And the screws, I used a driver on it. I use this driver on it. It's 8mm. And that mounts like that. Them 2 screws. Now, like I say, they're 8mm, but they have Phillips head in them. So you could use a Phillips head screwdriver on them. Be sure to tuck this wire back down in the slot here. And this piece here, these slots go on top of these little fingers and whatever you want to call them. So these fingers here, they're slotted. So when you drop this plate down, you have to slide it back. It slides back and forth. You have to slide it back to line these 2 holes up. These are the holes here. You're gonna put the screw in. Now you have to put this plate back in. It's held on by 4 screws. Just sits on there. Don't take this off. You don't have to remove that. Now I just need to replace this tray. It was kind of goofy getting out. You gotta bring it in and hang it. You can't just pull it straight out. And then there's little tabs on the front. Make sure you hook them tabs up. There you go. Now them tabs are there. Then there's 2 screws in the back. They're just some Phillips one in each corner back there. Hopefully that was the problem.